Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the agent terminated due to error issue in Antigravity. All right, let's begin. This error usually occurs when the AI agent fails to complete a task or crashes during execution. Common causes include server issues, overly large prompts, conflicts with integrations, background processes, or an expired login session. In many cases, the request exceeds system limits, causing the agent to stop unexpectedly. To fix this, start by refreshing your session. If the app or website has been open for a long time, click Try Again or begin a new conversation. Next, check any active integrations or extensions. Disable unnecessary ones, as too many running at once can interfere with performance and cause errors. Keeping your setup minimal helps the agent function more reliably. You can also restart the application completely, close it, and reopen to reset background processes. Additionally, sign out of your account and log back in to refresh your authentication token, since expired sessions can trigger this error. So that's basically how you can fix the agent terminated due to error issue in Antigravity. That's it for this video. Thanks.